In this video, I'm going to show you and it's something that nobody talking about. You know why? Because everyone earning money through this and they are keeping it under wraps. But today I'm going to blow the roof of this and show you exactly how it's works. And there are people out there making $20,000, $30,000 and even $40,000 every single month. And all they are doing is posting content that's already available on the internet. Yeah, you heard me right. They are not creating anything from scratch. They're literally repurposing content and getting paid per 1,000 views on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. So let me show you exactly how you can do this too. It's way simpler than you think and I'm going to take you through the process step by step. Trust me, by the end of the video, you will know exactly how to get started and start earning. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to whop.com. Don't worry about typing in it. I will leave a link in description below. Once you are there, it's simple. Just press sign up. Now you can choose to sign up by using your email, Google, Discord, even Ethereum or Apple. It's totally upon you. I'm just going to sign up with Google for simplicity. Next, choose your username. You can pick whatever you want. Next, choose your profile picture. And that's it, you are officially signed up. And this is where the magic happens. Once you are in, we are going to start looking for ways to earn money. Alright, now that we are in, you will land on your home screen. Don't get overwhelmed by all the tabs and options because all we need to focus on right now is the Discover tab, which is the third option down. When you click on Discover, it will take you a whole new world of opportunities. You will see a bunch of different campaigns you can join. These are essentially the Whops or groups. And once you join them, you will be able to start earning money. I recommend start using groups like Pop Clips and UGC Factory. These are great to get your feet wet and start understanding how things works. But if you want to get really specific and make more money, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the best paying campaigns and the easiest way to maximize your earnings. So now here where it gets interesting. If you scroll past the live streams, you will come across the content rewards section. This is the feature that pays you the published content on social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. What you do is simple. You create a short video posted on these platforms and you get paid per 1,000 views. So the more views you get, the more money you make. Now if you are not sure what kind of videos to post, don't worry, Whop has you covered. They got a submission section where you can see which videos and campaigns are performing the best. You can literally copy what's working and start making money right away. In the submission section, you will see videos that are already earning the most money. For example, I saw a video that made $2,000. The video was just a simple edit where footage changed every 3-4 seconds. The text on it said, "My life, it bro returns the money he owns me." Now you might think that's too simple, but that's the point. It's shareable content. It's something that people can send to friends, family, or people who out him money as a joke. And guess what? That joke video spread like wildfire, racing up to a ton of views, and more views means more money. Once you find a campaign that interests you, just click on start earning. Before you start posting too, there are some few rules you should keep in mind. The first is no bad mouthing the brand you are promoting. It's obvious, right? No fake views or engagement. This is really important. Whop use real-time tracking, so if you try to cheat the system, you will get caught and your account will be banned. And your video needs to be at least 8 seconds long, so if it's 6 or 7 seconds, it won't count no matter how close it to 8. Next is quality matters. Don't just throw together a poorly edited video. Make sure it looks good. Once your video is live, all you have to do is link it back to Whop and you are good to go. They will track your views automatically and pay you accordingly. And here's the best part. Once you have published your video and linked it to Whop, the system automatically tracks each views you get. That means you will get paid per views and payout happen fast. And this is one of the things I love about Whop, instant monetization. You don't have to wait weeks for payouts. If you get views on your video, you are earning money immediately. It's pretty insane when you think about it. You are essentially getting paid to upload content that's already out there. Now here's how you can scale up your earnings. Always go for the higher paying campaigns. If you sort by highest CPM, you will see some campaigns that pay up to $50 $100 per 1,000 views. Next one is the more videos you will post, the more views you will get and the more money you will make. Also keep an eye on what's going viral and try to replicate that style or format with your own twist. Just by following this simple step, you will start seeing money rolling in faster than you can imagine. So that's it, how to start earning money with Whop by simply posting short form content that's already out there on the internet. Whether it's funny memes, trending videos or relatable content, you can start making money right away. If you want to get started, check out the link in the description to sign up for Whop. Start earning today and take advantage of this opportunity while it's still under the radar. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with anyone who needs to hear about this. Trust me, this is a game changer for 2025. And if you have any question later this video, don't forget to comment down below. And if you are searching for an AI tool like this, then don't forget to watch this video on my channel.